Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to convert FAT32 to NTFS without format and no data loss. Open File Explorer, this PC. This drive partition is FAT32. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type convert space. Drive name colon space. /fs colon NTFS. Type volume label. Exit from command prompt. File system change to NTFS. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.